Hi my dear student friends, how are you? I am fine. Okay, first of all introduce to myself. I am B. Pothiraj, your PG teacher. Today we discuss about the chapter set, the theory of sets. So theory of sets, the theory of set was developed by a German mathematician Georg Cantor, 1845. And the concept of set serves as a fundamental part of present day mathematics. Sets are used to define the concept of relations and functions, the study of geometry, sequence and probability, etc. We are also known as sets. For example, last year you study a sequence and series, the set of all whole numbers, w equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. The set of all integers, z equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and etc. These numbers, these sets are, we are known well. Okay. Next we come to the definition of set. The collection of well defined object is known as set. Underline this word, the well defined object. The collection of well defined object is known as a set. For example, here the odd natural numbers less than 8, that is 1, 3, 5, 7. This 1, 3, 5, 7 has 4 numbers, it is well defined. And the next example, the rivers of Tamil Nadu. The rivers of Tamil Nadu like as Vaigai, Tamirabarani, Kaveri and etc. This also well defined. So next one, the various kinds of triangles. The various kinds of triangle, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene, right angled triangle, that is the various kinds of triangle. This is also well defined. The next one, the vowels in the English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters. So this is also well defined. So next one, the number of zeros of cubic polynomial, the number of zeros of cubic polynomial is 3. And next, example for not a set. Example for not a set. The collection of good cricket players of Sri Lanka is not a set, because a good players is a vec and it is not well defined. So how to measure the good player? So the good player is not well defined. The next one, the collection of all tall students of EduStar school. Since tall students is not well defined, because 3 feet is also a tall, 5 feet is also a tall, 6 feet is also a tall, but here the tall students of EduStar school, but it is not a well defined. So next we come to the remark. The sets, objects, elements and members of a set are synonyms of terms. Object, elements, members, that is set of all natural number n equal to 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5 and etc. The 1, 2, 3, 4, that is known as element or object or member. So next, second one, sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z and etc. They usually denoted by capital letter sets. The elements of set represented by small letters. So A, B, C, X, Y, Z and etc. For example, the set of all natural number n equal to, so this n is denoted as a capital letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and etc. And another examples are the set of all integer z equal to, z is denoted as a capital letter, the set of all whole numbers, that is also denoted as a w, that is a capital letter, and a real number, the set of all real number, r is a capital letter, that are the capital letters are denoted as denoted by the set. The elements are denoted by small letters. So, next one remark, if a element of a set, if A is a element of a set A, we say that A belongs to A. A belongs to A. So, this symbol is denoted as belongs to. That is A belongs to A. This symbol is A belongs to A. So, for example, let B equal to 3, 4, 5. Here 3 belongs to B. The element 3 belongs to B, and 4 belongs to B. 4 is an element of B, and 5 belongs to B. The set for B, the element is 5, but 6 doesn't belongs to B. The element 6 doesn't belongs to this set. So, this is the defined set. Okay. Next we go to representation of set. How to represent the set? The sets are represented by the following forms. The sets are represented by two forms. The first one is roster form or tabular form. The second one is set builder form. So, comes to the roster form. In the roster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within the brace, that is the set bracket. This is denoted as a set bracket. For example, the set of all letters forming the word edu star is E, D, U, S, T, A, R. So, separated by commas and within this set bracket. So, the second example, the set of all vowels in the English alphabet is A, E, I, O, U. So, this is the form of roster or tabular form. Okay. Next, on note, it may be noted that while writing the set in the roster form, an element is not generally repeated. That is, all the elements are taken as distinct. For example, the set of all letters forming the word Kovilpatti. Listen here, the set of all letters forming the word Kovilpatti is K, O, V, I, L, P, A, T. Here, I is repeated again one time. So, we mention only one time is enough, and the word T repeated 2 times. So, we denote only one time. That is the all the elements are taken as distinct. Okay. So, next we go to set builder form. Next we go to the set builder form. The set builder form, all the elements possesses a single common property. For example, the set of all vowels in the English alphabet, that is V denoted as set of all vowels. So, V equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. So, this type is denoted as a set builder form. Suppose we denote a roster form V equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So, problem 1, write the set A equal to X such that X is an integer and minus 3 less than X less than 7 in roster form. That is A equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is, these numbers are lies between minus 3 to 7. So, this is the roster form. So, next problem 2, write the set B equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6 in roster form. Solution, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, B, this B is denoted as B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, X is a natural number less than 6. So, natural number n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and etc. So, we get less than 6. So, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, next problem, write the set 3, 6, 9, 12 in the set builder form. Let A be the given set. So, A denoted as a given set. So, A equal to X such that X equal to 3n, because 3, 6, 9, 12 these are multiple of 3. So, we denote X equal to 3n. So, n belongs to n, the n value lies between 1 to 4. So, this is the self builder form. My dear students, we are many problems are there in our textbook. You try yourself, and if you have any doubt, you have comment for the video. Thank you very much.